Here we are, finally back in the water, almost all finished. Today we're going to have a few relatives round who keep asking about the boat and how far it's finished. So I thought I'd make this quick video to show you the end result. Obviously if you've been following the renovation, it's taken a year and 6 months to do. A lot of hard work and a lot of steep learning curve, but finally she's almost finished. My camera bag. Oh. Have a look inside. The original upholstery, and I took them to pieces, stained them all up. I had to use a sort of nylon type dye. The only thing missing at the moment is the front bit of padding for the seats, but everything else is basically done. I tried keeping as much as the original features. I put a new hand pump in because I thought it was going to look better than. I mean, I could have put an electric one in. The electric one didn't work, but I thought, you know, keeping it as near as I could possibly to the original. Inside the cupboard, I've left all the fittings, haven't been much around inside, so I'm trying to find things which actually fit in there, which match. Obviously the cooker under here, it's in still good order. Original. This is off my dining room table. It's the original 1960s bit of formica with some beach on the back of it. There's a nice splashback. Sort of matches the table, which I'm going to perhaps alter slightly just to make it more user friendly. Obviously we've got a toilet in there, which is just a normal sort of portaloo. That's all been done, and in here is a cupboard, which obviously this bit sort of pulls out. Oh, it's a bit dusty there. Pulls out, and it goes into this bit, and it can divide the front cabin bit off, so you've got a bit more privacy. We have got curtains to go up on this top window, which is always a quandary what to do with them. What we've done is that I've got little Velcro tabs which are going to go on. It holds the curtain in place, and then you can take it down because it's difficult to know what the best thing to do with it. Obviously inside the cupboard I've got a 12 volt and USB connector, and they're all separate switches inside, so you can isolate each one individually, and that's about it. Obviously lots of odds and sods, but quick view round the back of the marina, and there you go. Obviously might get a bit of video of the boat going later just to add to it. If not, I hope you've enjoyed watching the renovation project. Thank you.